no tomorrow.
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. If you are returning, you already know it. You are fabulous. All right, so today's video, this is episode 41 of our 365-day daily devotionals. We have been doing the Jesus Calling by Sarah Young. It's just awesome, y'all. I cannot stress enough how great this devotional is. It is literally like perfect for this time in my life, I swear. Anyways, if you have missed any of the episodes previous to this, I will have those linked in the description box. I'm trying to get you guys a playlist together. I honestly just have not had time to sit down and do it, but I will get a playlist together. But for now, they are just individually like linked in the description box. All right, let's jump in. Okay, number 41. Trust me enough to spend ample time with me, pushing back the demands of the day. Refuse to feel guilty about something that is so pleasing to me, the King of the universe. Because I am omnipotent, I am able to bend time and events in your favor. You will find that you can accomplish more in less time after you have given yourself to me in rich communion. Also, as you align yourself with my perspective, you can sort out what is important and what is not. Don't fall into the trap of being constantly on the go. Many people do in my name have no... Let me start over. Many things people do in my name have no value in my kingdom. To avoid doing meaningless works, stay in continual communion with me. I will instruct you and teach you in the way you should go. I will counsel you with my eye upon you. Very good. I love that it says, I am omnipotent. I am able to bend time and events in your favor. Don't forget that. The Lord can take anything and make it for the good. You may see it as the worst thing that's ever happened to you. And the Lord can change things and bend things and, whatever to make it good, to bring something good out of it. Yes. All right, let's do the verses. Martha, Martha, the Lord answered, you are worried and upset about many things, but only one thing is needed. Mary has chosen what is better, and it will not be taken away from her. Luke 10:41 through 42. In the past, God spoke to our forefathers through the I'm having a hard time today. Let me start over. Okay. In the past, God spoke to our forefathers through the prophets at many times and in various ways. But in these last days, he has spoken to us by his Son, whom he appointed heir of all things, and through whom he made the universe. Hebrews 1:1 and 2. I will instruct you and teach you in the way which you should go. I will counsel you with my eye upon you. Psalms 32:8. I will instruct you and teach you in the way you should go. I will counsel you with my eye upon you. Psalms 32:8. I really like this verse because it just makes me think about, I will instruct you and teach you in the way that you should go. So when you are at your last hope and you're like, I don't know what to do. I just don't know what to do. This has happened and that's happened and I got this coming up and that's, and my hands are tied. I don't know what to do. There's one option, and it is the best option. Give it to God. And then ask him to teach you through whatever you're going through. There's lessons that can be learned, but you have to ask for that guidance. You have to ask God to teach you. He's not just going to do it. I mean, he might, but I'm saying God wants us to come to him and ask for things and to want to get closer to God and want to do things in his way. Because obviously that's going to be the best way every time. Yeah. All right, guys. If you guys have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family and subscribe. That would be awesome. Plus, hit that notification bell so that you will know each time I upload a new video. All right, guys. Thank you so much for being with me today, and y'all have a blessed day.